Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Well, what if I told you there's a business model that allows you to start making money without the hassle of traditional inventory management? How would you like to make money online without ever touching a single product? If that sounds like a dream come true, then you're in the right place, because today, we're going to talk about the easiest way to start dropshipping from scratch. But before we dive into the world of dropshipping, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on the valuable tips and strategies we're about to share. Let's get started. First things first, let's clarify what dropshipping is. In the dropshipping model, online store owners sell physical products to customers all around the world through an e-commerce platform without the need to carry or pay for inventory. When an order is placed on your store, simply contact your supplier and they will send it directly to your customer's doorstep. The beauty of this is that it all can be done with just a laptop and internet connection. So aside from initial quality checks, you will never see nor touch the order that your customers receive. So now, let's see a few steps that will help you to start your dropshipping business. Step 1. Choose a business concept. A business concept describes what you are selling and to whom. Because there are so many options with dropshipping, you want to start with a limited number of products that you feel will sell to a specific demographic. For example, you might develop a business concept that says you're going to sell graphic t-shirts to skateboarders. The t-shirts will have specific designs that appeal to this demographic and be of the quality and style that skateboarders wear. The concept is the foundation for the products you sell, your website's design, and your marketing, so spending some time on this is crucial. However, it is good to note that because there are limited costs to implementing a dropshipping product line, you can change things up if you feel that you made a mistake or your product passion changes. Step 2. Choose reliable source products. A business concept doesn't guarantee that you'll be able to get the products to serve your demographic. Take the time before you develop a website to research products. Look for multiple distributors that sell the same products to find the best wholesale price for the product. So now, let's explore some of the most popular marketplaces where you can find fantastic products to dropship. These include AliExpress, Salehu, Worldwide Brands, Doba, Megagoods, and Wholesale Central. Choose a product that you get excited about, has a good margin for profit, and displays nicely in the images shown on the website. Many of these suppliers also provide statistics of popular items so that you can choose things that are more likely to sell because there is already a market for them. Step 3. Select suppliers. Once you find the products you want to offer, it's time to choose the supplier that will be the actual company to ship the products to your customers. There are a few things to consider with the supplier you choose. First is the quality. Choose a supplier that offers the quality you want your company to represent. One business model is to charge more for better quality products. Next, profitability. You should be able to make a reasonable profit on the product. Consider shipping and transaction costs in your calculation. Next, reliability. You want to choose a supplier that sends products in a timely fashion with reasonable shipping expenses and times. Many suppliers are overseas, and you'll have to determine whether or not you want your customers waiting for products. The best way to check for reliability is to order a few products from the supplier and note the process. Finally, the return policy. When possible, find a supplier that offers a return policy. Many don't, so you need to check on this before making any final decisions. Most drop shippers use online marketplaces because they tend to have a better inventory of products with reliable suppliers. Step 4. Build an online store. You'll need to build an e-commerce store to sell your products. An e-commerce store is a site that is designed to help you pleasingly display the products for sale while possessing the shopping carts necessary to run the purchase transactions. Building the store can be tricky for a newbie. The reason is there are a few moving parts. To build a website, you will need a content management system such as Shopify, WordPress, or Squarespace, and a domain name. If you're using WordPress, you need web hosting, integrations with your chosen drop shippers, and a built-in payment gateway to accept online payments. The best e-commerce websites automate the sale of the product with the order to the supplier. If this step is not automated, you'll be manually entering orders every day, which can be cumbersome and lead to errors. Shopify is one of the leading choices for those building a dropshipping business. However, it's not the only option available, so it's worth learning more about the best e-commerce platforms. Additionally, you may also want to consider selling your products through other platforms such as Etsy, Amazon, or even social media like Facebook or Instagram. Multi-channel selling helps your business gain exposure and drive more sales, so it's generally advisable to do so. That is if you have the bandwidth to manage multiple selling channels. Step 5. Register your business. You need to set up the company as a business, separating it from your assets. This means creating a name, usually the domain name you choose, and filing for an LLC or corporation with your Secretary of State. You'll get a tax identification number aka TIN from the IRS after successfully submitting your online application. Use this TIN to open a bank account that is linked to your payment gateway. This bank account will take in all deposits and pay the company's expenses, including web hosting and maintenance. It will also be the account that pays the supplier for the product when ordered. You should also get a sales tax ID, or reseller's permit, from the state tax office. Most states require you to pay sales tax on goods sold. You may also need to pay sales taxes in the states where you sell your products. Step 6. Market your business. You can't just set up a website and expect thousands of people to find it. You need to market the new business. Because it is online, you will likely go beyond the word-of-mouth marketing that you do with other businesses in your community. Join social media groups that are relevant to your business and start participating productively. Don't just try to sell, help people with questions that they may ask. Become an expert in the community to be seen as a resource. People will find your business through this. Have specific business pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Post regularly about new products, sales, or tips and tricks in your focus industry. On top of your social media efforts, you may want to invest in actual ads and sales. You can run Facebook ads on small budgets that target specific demographics. Think about starting an ad campaign with a $10 per day budget to drive traffic to your e-commerce store. You can also write a blog that helps consumers find you through search engine optimization tactics. For many new e-commerce stores, doing a little bit of each of these marketing strategies is the key to getting enough eyes on their store to convert to buyers. And there you have it, the easiest way to start dropshipping from scratch. Remember, building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in starting their own dropshipping business. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future content. Thank you for watching. Keep hustling, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.